Hey, what's up guys, it's Vinny and you're watching My Next Best, and yet again I've brought to you guys another very interesting product that's in the market and that could potentially be of interest to you guys. As you know, in My Next Best I bring some really interesting tech, and that's something, and I'm mostly focused on smart products, and that should be something of high interest to you guys, especially with people living in big houses and with you like couple live in there and no support and that sort of stuff. Smart devices do sort of provide you a number of benefits: smart vacuum cleaners, wireless grass cutters and things. So there's so much in there, and that's like lighting and stuff, smoke detectors, power switches, heaters, coolers. All these things do sort of add up to provide a lot of additional support to people who might be living in independently, individuals, old people, all that good stuff that smart IoT devices provide. And I've got one of the new ones, as you can see. This is the Wi-Fi smoke detector. It might not be considered as one very essential ones, but you can monitor your air quality index using this device, using the app, and it's obviously quite an interesting item for people who might be looking at smart tech in the market, to look for smart tech. And if they're also onboarded on Smartlife app, there are like 500,000 people who've actually reviewed Smartlife application. So I'm pretty sure there's quite a few quite a few people out there who might be very interested in this device. There is slightly less visibility today in this video. I'm going to just quickly bump up the video resolution. Okay, so here you can see powered by Tuya. Tuya is something like it's kind of the company who've got their own Tuya app, but it sort of integrates with a Smartlife application, and it's obviously a Wi-Fi smoke detector, so it obviously connects to the as any other IoT device connects to the internet, secures an IP, and then using the IP you can connect it from wherever you are and monitor the air quality index or the smoke detection, carbon monoxide in particular. I've got this specifically for my electrical systems. So where my electrical systems are, I really think that I need to constantly monitor the air quality index, or the air quality in general, carbon monoxide in particular. If there's so that there's some smart features that can trigger to enable, if there's any incident of fire, there's some smart sensors that enable one thing or the other, and in a sequence, to ensure that there's really the fire doesn't damage the property. So that's one of the things essentially. And these smart detectors essentially then send message to other devices, such as an extractor fan or combustion type systems, or even sprinkling systems, if that's the case. So obviously you can monitor. You can also have cameras and stuff in there, but obviously smoke detectors are highly essential to ensure that you've got the optimal air supply in an electrical system. Okay, so without any further ado, I'm going to quickly unbox this device. But before that, a quick look around the box. So at the bottom you see it says message push, as I was mentioning about the messages. So you get notifications, and you can obviously use some smart triggers. Adjust sensitivity 90 decibels volume. So if there's an alarm trigger, it obviously does make a sound. Silence, of course, smoke detector. It's generally always silent. Make your home more safety. That's really poor English, but yeah, everywhere, make your home more safety. And okay, fine. And at the back, you've got a SKU made in China and some sort of code, which probably is the device serial, not the serial, probably just the ID or something of that sort. Item: smart home security alarm to your app controlled Wi-Fi smoke detector. Some information, FCC certified, and there's a German address as well. 2.1 BTN, 2.4 gigahertz probably, and then there's the other things like current and capacity and all that sort of stuff. So you can obviously use the Apple Store, and you can also use Google Play Store. Okay, let's open the box and see what we've got inside. Pretty standard, I suppose, as any other smoke detector. There's a user manual. So there's some instruction on there. Wi-Fi smoke detector. Sorry, I've got these little band-aids, these plasters all around my fingers. I did cut my finger recently, so just sort of getting in my recovery stage. Okay, so this product is a smart Wi-Fi photoelectric smoke sensor. It is capable of real-time detecting presence of smoke. Once detect danger or fire or smoke, then the red LED of sensor will be on. Okay, all the good stuff. Dancing hall, any other places. Okay, specifications as you've just read: 90 decibels volume, or the sound intensity. Installation method: ceiling mounted is what they recommend. Well, actually, in my case, it's not going to be ceiling mounted. I'll have to sort of see if that's a possibility. But yeah, we'll have to probably find out. It's going to be like more vertical rather than ceiling mounted. Okay, and then moving on, flat ceiling mounted, sloping ceiling mounting as well. Okay, so that's supported. So that's somewhat my installation type. Sloping ceiling, and then there is how to use. To establish, you also need 2 AAA batteries, which are not included in the box. And then there's the test button, and then the Smartlife application installation. And this information is also, no, it's not. So how you sort of install the application is something that's listed at the back side. So you select the, let's see, it's called Wi-Fi smoke detector. So you'd have to search for that in the Smartlife list of gadgets. So select that, press the button, discovery, and then you add that device in discovery. So it should be added, and then it will probably look, the home screen is going to be looking like something like this, and it's going to probably show you more information about what the air quality is looking like, what the levels of carbon monoxide are, perhaps temperature as well, I'm not sure. But I've also got a temperature sensor separately, which essentially triggers extractor and stuff. Okay, so, and you can obviously use the alarms and sensor and things. Yeah, it obviously does allow you some additional functionality, which comes out of the box. Okay, so that's the instruction manual, and quickly looking into the package is the smoke detector. As you can see, there you have it, smoke detector, quite light, probably 20 grams maybe, very light, very, very light. It's got this, what is that? Probably something to sort of test the, or maybe, sorry, the testing is here, and this is the Wi-Fi, so to pair, and I don't know what this is. And then there's mounting clips, so you mount the bottom part first and then clip that back on. I think this should turn. Should I just press it and turn? No, probably not. I'll have to sort of see how this really works. I don't want to break things here. But yeah, there's obviously 4 mounting slots, so you can use these screws. There should be 4 of them. Well, okay, there's 2 on that. 2 of these can be drilled, and screws provided are 3, so I'm not sure. But yeah, okay, so you've got this that should connect to the Wi-Fi, and from there forward you should be able to connect. Doesn't seem to give me a way to sort of get past this and open it from the bottom, which is very odd. I'm just trying to guess if this is how it works. Probably not. Oh yeah, something's moving. Oh right, there we are. So this part's opened up. So this is the one that goes onto the ceiling, and as you install this, you turn it around, and that's how it basically fits in. So these are the three pieces where you get the screws in, and then the two AAA batteries go in here. It's got the QC past 23Q9. Oh, okay, Q9. What's the Q9? I've only heard of Q4, but anyway, 23, whatever that is, it's passed, and someone's done some sort of inspection. And it's got AAA batteries, 2 of these that you connect, and off you go. Press this button, pair it, test it, and that should be good enough for the installation. I will do another video, of course, to sort of show you how the installation has gone, or how it goes in essence. So yeah, do watch out for that. And there you have it, my guys, my friends, sorry. The Wi-Fi smoke detector. If you've got any questions or queries, do let me know. Do post them in the comment section below. I'll get back to those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my next best. Take care, guys, and I'll see you in my next best. Ciao.